Now, for the heck of it, we're going to see how well this one does. Go up to medium. It's starting to break free a little bit. For the record, that is the temperature at the moment. We are at 20 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10-ish degrees. I don't know. I don't read that measurement that well. Anyway, here's high. See how long it takes to get up to high speed. It is definitely not happy with it. Starting to break free. Here it comes. And she's at it again. It's crazy that this thing still works. It's not in the greatest shape. But it still runs. I just kind of keep it around as a beater fan.